Hello old friends, how are you doing today? Okay, I guess we can start. So, the other day, okay, so today I would like to continue with the Famousity card game, the mobile version, made in Godot. And the other day we were talking about or I was trying to figure out how to do multi-threading and how to return back to the main loop in the Godot. And I was thinking of using the signals, which I like, the concept of signals, I like it in the Godot. And I also found out that call deferred can be used to like return to my loop in the idle time. So I was thinking what to use, and I basically decided that I will try both how they work, because when we have a look at this one, let me clear this up. So yeah, basically C# has some limitations regarding the call deferred. It's not behaving like expected, so I might not use this one. But as I said before, I basically like the concept of signals and having the observer-listener pattern, so I probably will use that. Okay, so let's get back to the code. What I'm going to do actually is to just implement it for the single action, and have all other actions not implemented for now, and we can do it later. So if I remember correctly, the deal card is the first one, which is called and I have two options here how to use it. One is using the signal, and the second one is to use call deferred. I will try both. We will see what happens. If it works. Yeah, this should actually be... Yeah, not here, but on the other side. Wait, no, let's go back. Here, deal card. Yeah, this is not the signal I'm using. Yeah, okay, so I don't have it implemented actually. So let's go to signals. Let's create another one, and that's the deal card one. We'll try both. I'm actually wondering how it's gonna be working. So player ID and card. What's the action? Card data. Okay. And player ID, it's num, isn't it? Yeah, long. Unsynced long. So long. And wait, am I doing it right? Run manager, deal card is going to be void for now. So I will need both of those. Okay. And yeah, we'll also need to figure out how to do something like waiting for seconds, and if it's even possible if I do a signal or something like that, because I want to... What's the idea here? I know that, yeah, dealing card should I'm trying to figure out how it's working, and why do I need to have some delay here. So basically this 0.2 seconds, it's the time for the animation to deal the card to the user or to the player, and that's a good bit. And I will need something like that as well here. But do I really? Okay, we don't need to worry about it right now. We will need card manager though, and get card owner. That's a private function. But let's go back to deal card here. So I already connected the network manager to game connected, which I don't really want here. I wanted to have it in game manager, and I already done this here. And let's go back. So let's do it like this, and we actually have it in signals and deal card. Target is this class. This run manager, and method will be deal card. Okay, that sounds good. For now, we will just do a simple GD print dealing card from signal. Yeah. Okay, so that's for run manager, and that's how you use it actually. So we emit signal, deal card, and we will send these two parameters here. We can maybe record one of the parameters. Maybe player ID will be sufficient for now. Okay. And that's the second option how to do it. Just calling the default, and we will call deal card on the run manager with those two parameters. So we will try both actions actually. Yeah, but this actually doesn't work here because the problem of C# in Godot is that, let me find it here. No, somewhere here. Basics. Performance using profiling, configuring, debugging. Nope. Features. Preferences. Nope. Other differences? Maybe this one. Nope. Where did I see it? Yeah, this one. Okay, so there are some methods such as get, set, call, call deferred, and signal connection method connect. So it's basically also related to signal. Okay, so I might have the same problem here. So basically what this is saying, that if you use a camel case for calling a deferred and as a name, you will have to have a snake case of your method in a class. So in my case, and I will probably have to have it anyways, so even for the signal I will have to call this method like this, which is pretty silly, but yeah, okay, that's what it is. Can I use it here? Name of role manager. Deal card. Yep, let's try this one. Okay. So we don't really know where is it coming from. We might do the different method for signal, but it doesn't make sense because we're gonna actually switch it by commenting out any of those methods. Okay. Alright, I'm trying to think out what else do we need. Probably not this. Let me comment out anything we don't really need at the moment. Okay, so this is onDestroy method. I think this onDestroy is Unity native method, and I would like to actually have something like that as well here. So Godot onDestroy was the alternative. Exit3 maybe. Okay, I guess. So let's do it here. What? Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. I like switch. Tutorial. Yeah. Send chat message. We don't have default here, but it doesn't really matter here. Let's do it here. Let's do it like this. Yeah, okay. What else? We don't need this at the moment. And that should be it, right? Something's wrong here. Initialize game. Let's do it void. KGD. Yeah, so we can also try the we can actually check the initialize game or game connected signal, because we are listening for game connected and we are calling this initialize game. Okay. And I would actually like to see what's here. What was the last parameter? If it's passed correctly. Let's clean it up. Okay. Okay, so let's switch to Godot. And I believe I will need some more managers here. So let's create a one for network. Let's assign script to it. And we need one more, and that's for round manager. Yep. And let's assign round manager script to it. And I can see that I'm missing here the game manager. Okay. Card. This is just the dummy card here. It's gonna be removed in the later stages, but for now this is sufficient, and I would like to run it. So let's see what's gonna happen. So basically what should happen is it should, actually nothing will happen because I'm not calling the connect to game public function of the network manager. So let me do this, and we will do it in the where. I guess we can do it here. Connect to game. Player ID. So let's try some ID. It doesn't really matter. Game ID. So the game ID should be actually the lobby ID from Steam, as we are remaking the Steam version on the mobile. So for now it can be any ID. Yeah, well, you know what, I want to try, I actually want to see, well, yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to do some UID. GUID to, what's this, Yulong? Yulong. GUID to Yulong. Yeah, I'm laughing at this sentence here. Okay. System decimal is second long way, blah blah blah. Big integer, which can be pretty big. Yeah, that's not what I want. I will probably. Yeah, I'm not sure what will happen when I will try to use the same game ID. Use the same game ID. Player ID is okay, so I can be the same player here. But the game ID should be different when I connect to game, with each run. And I would like to somehow randomize it. Shall we try this? Okay, let me try this. It's just for testing, so anyway. 2 in 64, which returns... No. Just the documentation. Returns long. So. Game AD. And... Oh. Wait, that's fine. And player name will be tester. Doesn't really matter, it's not unique. Player count, so this should be total player count, like, yeah, last time I didn't change it. Total player count, or basically I changed it in this start game connection, but I didn't change it in here. Meh. Cast. So, over here we'll have 4 players. Actually, maybe 2 is enough. Anyways, and 1 bot. Okay,